We also have a breaking input coming in from RJD. RJD leader Tejashwi Yadav has also waded into the debate, and he says the INDI bloc will form government on the 4th of June. So why go by the exit polls? Appearing extremely confident of which way the results are going to go.
What kind of exit poll and whose exit poll we should believe? There are so many exit polls, right? So we should wait for the 4th June and what we have seen in ground, and we have a belief and faith in people of India that this time India Gathbandhan, India Alliance is coming to form a government on 4th June, and NDA is going soon.
All right, Pragya continues to be with us in the broadcast. Pragya, as far as exit poll debates is concerned, the opposition is trying to project a united front. Pawan Khera says, let the BJP celebrate after exit polls. We'll celebrate on the 4th of June. Tejaswi Yadav says, whose exit poll should we really believe? There are so many. So we are waiting to see what happens on the 4th of June.
Well, Swati, these exit polls, some of them have proven right in the past as well. It's not that there is no truth or no basic foundation. Ground and surveys have been done extensively on various parameters about these exit polls. But you say that you don't have, you will answer the government only on June 4. Why not answer now? Why are you waiting for June 4? And what if you lose this opportunity to take on BJP as well? This is a, time that you want to take on BJP if you think that these polls are wrong. And if you think that the sentiment on the ground is in your favor, why not use that?
Absolutely.
Plus, this is not the end of the road for any political party. There will be more elections. There will be elections in states, very crucial states as well.
And notably, when the opposition and these parties were confident of their win in the respective assembly elections, we never saw such objection to the exit polls. It's only now and during this general election that the Congress party is calling it a meaningless speculation and is trying to maintain its distance from exit